There's a certain routine जो आप follow करते हो ज़िंदगी में. I'm just so curious to know that exactly if you can walk us through your day, because I'm sure audience भी वो ही जानना चाहेगी कि हीना खान का दिन कैसा लग रहा है.
मेरे दिन की शुरुआत होती है. I try and wake up at 7:30 in the morning. I have started अभी recently मैंने start किया है to early dinner.
Okay.
Early dinner was not my thing ever. So, but now I kind of gave it a thought and planned my day in a way that I hit 6:37, I finished my dinner.
At 7, okay.
At 7, yes.
Wow.
Yeah. And then after that, I do not consume anything, nothing at all. I think it's one of the best habits. अगर आपने कहते हैं ना sunset से पहले खाना खा लिया, you know, हमारे आयुर्वेदास में भी ये चीज़ कहा जाता है. This is an old ancient practice where everyone used to eat early and then आप longer आपके fasting hours भी हो जाते हैं. And your body gets so much time for digestion, to work internally, make things better for you. So after that, I sleep around 10:30, 11, and then I wake up at 7 in the morning. The first thing I do is, of course, after having my medication and everything, I do a little prayer. And post that, I have this habit of, I activate my all drainage points. I stimulate, So lymphatic drainage, you must be knowing, right?
Yes.
So I do that lymphatic massage everywhere. We have these points everywhere.
Without fail every day.
Without fail every day. So I use a little olive oil and I put it all across every here and roll it in different directions, activate. We have like cluster of lymphatic lymph nodes in different areas of our body.
Okay.
So I kind of activate them to stimulate the drainage. So that's the first thing I do. And I have been doing it for a very long time, and I think everyone should do it. Like even if you go for a walk or for a workout or anything, any kind of movement, even if you swim, if you just activate everything in your body, all the drainage points,
right.
So you will not retain the extra fluids and water in your body. It'll all go down. It'll all get drained out. So ये एक practice है जो मैं हर दिन करती हूँ. And then I kind of get down, go for a walk, stroll around. Sometimes I like the first lights of the sun. I enjoy that. उसके बाद मैं अपना क्रिया करती हूँ, सुदर्शन क्रिया. It's like complete breath work.
Okay.
So I do that after that. And उसके बाद सुदर्शन क्रिया करती हूँ. Then I have my coffee. So my coffee is black coffee with ghee.
With ghee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That keeps
That's
me
new.
so energetic the entire day. So it's black coffee with ghee every day. So then I have my things, my protein, eggs, this, that. Then I rush to the gym. I work out, and then I come back. I have my lunch. Then I rest for a bit, and then if I have my work, like I have to meet somebody or my own, whatever, I do that. I get out of the house, and then later on when I come back, sometimes I have little chai if I feel like, or sometimes I skip it, and then I try if I know I'm getting late. See, I've become so disciplined now that if I know that I'm going to get late, I'm going to come back home at 9, 9:30, 10, I carry my dinner along.
Wow.
Yes.
But you will finish it early.
I will finish it early.
Yeah.
Because I can see the change. I see that how light I feel.
Yeah.
And I think for years मैंने नहीं सुनी किसी की. और बहुत सारे लोग थे जिन्होंने मुझे कहा that you change your routine. I'm a night owl. I used to like sleep like 2, 3?
That's me, and then I binge also.
Yes, and I
Worst
used to
habit.
eat, sleep late. This was my routine. So I've completely flipped it now. Not that I had a choice. I had to do it for many reasons. But I feel good.
Yeah.
I really feel good. So, yeah.
I think once someone had even asked Anushka and Virat when they were giving an interview ki what's one health benefit, and Anushka Sharma said the same thing, that I finished dinner by
Exactly. See, जब आपको जिस चीज़ का अनुभव होता है एंड जब आपको रियलाइज होता है कि इट्स वर्किंग फॉर मी, you don't want to miss it. And I really feel that it's working. Why? Because yeah, your system needs time यार. अब अगर आप 12 बजे तक खा ही रहे हो, सुबह आप 7 बजे उठ जाते हो, तो आपके सिस्टम को काम करने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता है.
और ये सब अब नहीं मिलता जब आप करते हो. आई थिंक वो सालों बाद कहीं ना कहीं.
Exactly. It'll help you in everything what you're doing now.
I'm going to ask you a few questions and you're just going to have to give me an answer for it. Okay. Adventure or sleeping till noon?
I think adventure. I'm pretty adventurous.
Okay. Workout or comfort food?
Both again, but I can compromise on food, but I would like to work out. Workout keeps me so energetic.
Okay, this is a tough one. Next, listener or storyteller?
Actually both again, but storyteller because I don't get to spend a lot of time with my family. So whenever we sit together, I just keep blabbering. आज ये हुआ, वो हुआ, फिर मैं इससे मिली, फिर ये हुआ, फिर मैंने इसको ये कह दिया, वो कर दिया. So everyone's listening.
But you're a listener also.
I am a very good listener.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Friends or solitude?
Solitude.
Okay.
Any day, solitude. My friends have this forever complaint. Okay, this thing I don't think people would know. But मेरे दोस्तों को हमेशा मुझसे ये complaint रहती है कि I do not reply back, and it's a fact. I don't. I am so lazy. I will check the message and then I will not reply.
Reply in the head.
I reply in the head and then I'm like, मैंने तो reply किया था. Then they reach out to me in Instagram DMs. I still don't respond. It's seen. They know I have seen.
Oh shit.
I still don't. Then you know what they do?
Oh,
I
God.
swear. They reach out to me in my comments.
Oh my God.
कि बहन फोन उठा ले.
That's a sweet true friend, but
Yes.
ये चीज़-
I have very like handful of friends in my life, but yeah, they do it because I am very bad at replying. So वो क्यों होता है? Because I love my solitude.
I love your solitude. 100%. Silence or music?
Silence.
Okay. Silence or music.
Silence.
No, 100%. Now we've known so much about you, but I have another segment which is called the Olive Branch. Okay, it's about making peace with people, with moments, and sometimes with ourselves. जो आपने कहा solitude के बारे में भी, and I think that only comes when you're so comfortable with yourself and you enjoy your company.
Yeah, I really enjoy my company.
Yeah. I relate to
yeah,
that.
yeah. I can be all alone, chill, do my stuff. I don't get bored.
What's one thing in your life that you've made peace with, or that gives you a lot of peace?
Well, that truly depends on if you have a choice. But then sometimes life throws a curveball at you and you don't have a choice
Yeah.
other than making peace with it. So there are certain things in my life I have made peace with because I did not have a choice.
But that also must be a journey. Like,
Yeah, a very tough one. I still live that journey, but you don't have a choice. And when you don't have a choice, all you can do is, what did I tell you? Surrender and make peace with it.
make peace with it. Make peace with it.
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
But what's a setback that eventually became like your biggest lesson life में?
A setback
Yeah.
that eventually became my biggest lesson. सबसे पहले तो when you face a setback, the first and foremost thing you do is how you respond to it. And I think I did a pretty good job in how I responded to when I had my setbacks in my life. And it's a complete perspective shift. What I was 2.5 years back, I am not that person. As I said, it's a complete perspective shift for me. And I also feel that just leave it. As I said, just surrender completely. And do not try to control the uncontrollable.